How you doing? This is Lee with Avon Grips. Today we're going to show you how to install new push-pull or fly-by-wire grips on your Harley Davidson. First, remove the seat from their bike, then disconnect the battery negative side first. Remove your bolts from the switch housing. Remove the old grip. Remove the perch clamp bolts to disassemble it. Feed the pull wire through the bar till it reaches the front side of the bike and can be pulled out the front hole. Now take the new grip and the controller and feed the grip wire through the bar and out the through hole. Make sure and leave a couple inches of slack. Tie the controller wires and the heater wire to the pull wire and attach with electrical tape to ensure that the wires don't disconnect. Pull the wires through the front of the bike to make the necessary connections. Now remove the bolts from the throttle side. Loosen your cables and remove the old grip. Remove the ferrule from the old grip and slide the grip off. Feed the pull wire through the bar the same way as the clutch side to pull the heater wire through to the front of the bike. Again, leave a couple inches of slack. Now start making the connections. First, use a 3-hole connector. Connect the 2 black wires from the grip heaters to the blue wire from the controller. Now, using the 3-hole connector, connect the red wire from the controller to the red wire and the small red jumper wire. Now, using the 2-hole connector, connect the power wire black to black controller wire. Finally, using another 3-hole connector, connect the red jumper wire to the 2 red wires from the grip heaters. After they are all connected, start connecting the wires to the power source. Connect the red power supply wire to an accessory circuit, typically an orange and white striped wire under the gas tank in the harness. Leave the inline fuse accessible as possible during this step. Once you have made the connections, make the necessary adjustment and tighten your bolts on the perch clamp. On the throttle side, slide the new grip on and reattach the ferrules. Tighten the cables to take all the slack out. For information on how to do these steps, please watch our video on how to install new grips. Reconnect the battery cables, positive side first. Now test the power to the controller and the grips. The red LED is high and the yellow LED is low. And that's how you install heated grips on a bike with cables. And now for the throttle side on the fly-by-wire. Slide the grip on and tighten the bolts. Now you insert the sensor plug and screw the cap on. It has left-hand threads. And that's how you install heated grips on a bike with fly-by-wire. Avon Grips has the highest quality products at the best prices possible. If you need to get in touch with us, call us or look us up at avongrips.com.